Okay, now we'll be doing the advanced yellow stripe for cycle number 2. So we're going to start off by working on our basic blocks for this section. So from my natural stance, hands up here. First block is the inside combo block. So it's called an inside combo block. We're going to imagine someone grabs. I'm going to do an outward block with the top hand and a downward block with the bottom hand. And then what happens is they switch. The downward block hand comes on the inside, outward block hand on the outside. Same thing here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 10 of these. I'm only going to do about 4 though, but normally we do a 10 count. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what happens again? Whichever hand is on top is going to turn into the downward block hand and come on the inside. Whichever hand is on the bottom will become the outward block hand and come on the outside. And it switches. That's our inside combo block. The next block we're going to do is the blocking scheme. So with the top hand, I'm going to do a palm block that's protecting my face. With the bottom hand, I'm going to do a downward block, and I'm going to keep my elbows pinched tight, and I hide behind this like a shield. And when I switch sides, it looks like this. This bottom hand is now going to come up, protect my face. Top hand comes down for that downward block, and I make sure my elbows are tight. So I'm going to do 10 of these, or I'll do a 4 count, switching. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we're going to do though is we're going to change that block slightly to a blocking scheme to an upward block. This will come in handy later. So from here, I do my blocking scheme, and whichever hand is on the bottom, upward block. Then I bring my hands back to start and I do the other side. Blocking scheme, hand on the bottom, upward block. So now I'm going to do a mock 10 count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are our blocks. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do that same blocks in a front stance. So I'm going to do my front stances across the floor. So I'm going to slide up. As my left foot lands in that front stance, inside combo block. If my left leg is in front, my left hand is on top. Boom. Right leg in front, right hand on top. We'll do the same block in reverse. Now what I'm going to do is in my same front stance, I'm going to do my blocking scheme and upward block. So I'll move to my front stance, hands are at my ribs, blocking scheme, whichever hand is on the bottom, upward block. Now I'm not doing it directly in front, I'm doing it at a 45-degree angle because later when I do my actual pinning number 5, that's where I'm going to eventually kick. Hands come back to my ribs, slide to my front stance, blocking scheme, bottom hand, upward block. Okay, still working on our advanced class, yellow stripe. What's going to happen now is I'm going to do my kata combo where I transition one section of the form. So from here, from my horse stance, I'm going to slide up and I'm going to chamber my hands just like this. So this can be an outward block or even a punch down, but really it's just a chambering of my hands. So that way when I land in my front stance, as soon as my hips land in that stance, boom, I do my inside combo block. Right leg in front, right hand on top. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I slide up, hands are already chambered in position. When I land in that stance, boom. That's the second move. From here, I'm going to go to a cat stance, right leg in front. My left hand is high, my right hand is low. I'm going to switch. Now my right hand is high. I'm going to make a big circle. Left hand to my ear to protect, right hand to my rib. From there, step forward to a front stance, strike to the groin, slide back to that cat stance, push down, back knuckle. One more time at medium pace. Chamber hands, inside combo block. Chamber hands, inside combo block. Cat stance, big circle, hit to the groin, and back. One more time, regular speed. That is the yellow stripe for advanced class, cycle number 2.